Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be doing a cartoon fish, nice and simple. Try and find yourself something circular to draw around. I'm using a glass and put it in the centre of your page. Next, draw around it using a pencil or a pen, whichever you feel most confident using. And remember, if this video goes too quickly, don't forget to pause it or rewind it. Just go at your own pace. Okay, part one done. Next, draw a curved line like this, then draw another curved line, just like that. We're going to draw a little fin at the top, and we'll do the same at the bottom. Okay, next we're going to draw another little fin at the side. And just draw two little lines there. Now we're going to do a nice big oval for the eye. And then follow that with another oval inside and a little circle. We're going to colour this in now. Okay. Now we're going to do the fish lips. So draw one going up and the other one coming down. There we go. Okay, next we're going to do the tail. So you can make the tail any shape that you like. I'm going to do mine like this. Just like that. And then don't forget to add a few lines here. And that's your finished fish drawing. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out the others in the playlist and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.